I'm going to show you how to make this salad. It's easy. I actually I didn't get to the store today, so I was going to run and grab some snap peas. So you can adapt this however you want. So I'm not actually going to add the snap peas. I might, if my husband's not home from work yet, I might run to the store and go grab some, but normally you'd have snap peas. Okay, so this is super easy. It's one of those meals that's really fast and it's good for you. And because you can grow a lot of, well, you can't grow the avocados, obviously, not here anyways, but you can grow a lot of this stuff. You can grow the snap peas, you can grow, different things that you can put in your salad, and you can buy organic so you can get rid of those chemical pesticides. Okay, so just choose wisely when you get your produce and things for this salad. Now, I am going to demonstrate, just show you how to put it all together. It's really fast. And actually, normally I would grill this chicken, but I didn't because I was busy doing other things. And so I didn't grill the chicken. And so I'm actually going to use chicken from cans. So you can, like I said, you can totally adapt. However you want to adapt so that it'll fit your family. This is one of those recipes that's so easy and so fast. You can get it on the table in like 15 minutes if you don't want to do grilling and stuff like that. So let me just aim my phone down so you can watch what I'm doing here. Here we go. Okay, so we just put our lettuce in our bowl. Super yummy lettuce. I like the spring mix with the spinach because that's just me. That's what I like. My family, we prefer the spring mix with the lettuce just for variety. I'm not a fan of iceberg just because there's not as much nutritional value. So, all right. I love this. I don't know if you guys have one of these or not, but this, I'm gonna aim up here. So this is from Pampered Chef. It is awesome because look at how it takes off. Oops. It takes off the lid without anything that will hurt you. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, so all you do is you put the lettuce in there, then you'll throw the snap peas in. Like I said, I didn't do the snap peas, that's my bad. I just buy the frozen, and I'm just letting it thaw while I do the rest of this. Now I'm going to take, while I'm mixing everything up, I'm going to toast some coconut and some slivered almonds. So I'm just putting them, and since I'm not going to heat up my house, I'm just going to put them in my air fryer to toast them. Okay, so I just have them in a single layer. Now you can use sweetened coconut. I do not like sweetened coconut. It's just too sweet. I don't want the sugar. And so I use dehydrated unsweetened coconut and then the almonds. And so I'm just going to put it in my air fryer. Okay, we'll just put it in here to do its thing. It only needs about 4 to 5 minutes, and I'll check on it in just a few minutes to see how it's doing. So while that's toasting, we'll make up our dressing. So you need your juice, your lime juice, your honey. Let's see so you can watch here. And I'm making a mess because I'm messing with my phone. Okay, so the lime juice. We need lime zest. This lime zest I actually dehydrated myself. Okay, put the lime zest in there. Gotta do some more here because I'm out. Okay, then we need oil. It's very little oil. Okay. And then just shake it up. Okay? And while that's sitting there and combining its flavors, we're going to cut up our avocado. Now, since you're using lime juice or lemon juice, depending on, or orange juice, depending on whatever you decide to do for your flavors, because in the recipe that I put on there, you can use different flavors. You will want to use some of that same juice, although I guess it won't work as well for orange juice, but lemon juice or lime juice would work. You cut up your avocado into chunks. And then you want to mix it, you just want to pour a little bit of the juice. I'm going to use lemon juice, that's what I'm using this time. Just a tiny bit of the juice on there, or you can even pour some of your dressing. It's up to you. Just the tiniest little bit, just so that it won't turn brown. So cut up your avocado, and then put it in some lemon or lime juice, and then it's ready to go in. All right. You'll just put your chicken in with your lettuce. My mangoes are almost thawed enough that I can put them in there. Okay, why don't we check our, ooh, it's done. So here's our toasted coconut, and I'm actually just going to put that in a bowl so that people can put it on themselves. Just toasting it just gives it that much little extra flavor. Basically our salad. Then we will just put our, now we've tossed our avocado with lemon or lime, whichever you're doing in your salad, whichever you're doing in your dressing. And then you just toss your salad here. And then put your dressing on, but I'm going to put that on at the end, right before our family eats. So that's it. Your salad is ready. You'll just dump in. As soon as my mango is done, I will dump it in there, and I will dump it in with my snap peas. Just wash your snap peas. You do not, you can break them apart if you want, cut them in chunks. That's up to you. But it's super fast, and that's it. Your dinner's ready, and ready to go on the table. You can't beat that kind of a meal.